Hey everyone, welcome to BP International. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple email addresses using just one Gmail account. We'll also learn how to organize emails using labels, filters, and multiple inboxes. Let's get started. Open your Gmail account. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down and click Send Mail As. Click Add another email address. Use the plus trick to create different email addresses. If your main email is yourname@gmail.com, you can use yourname+work@gmail.com for work emails. yourname+shopping@gmail.com for online shopping. yourname+newsletters@gmail.com for newsletters. Share these variations when signing up for different websites or services. All emails sent to these addresses will go directly to your email ID. Create a label in Gmail. Open Gmail account. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click See All Settings. Go to the Labels tab. Scroll down and click Create New Label. Name the label, example, work emails, shopping, newsletters. Create a filter to automatically sort emails. In Gmail, click on the search bar at the top. Type the specific email variation, example, yourname+work@gmail.com, and press Enter. Click the filter icon, left-pointing magnifying glass, on the right side of the search bar. Click Create Filter. Check the box, apply the label, and select the label you created, example, work emails. Click Create Filter. Now, emails sent to this address will be automatically sorted into the correct label. Enable multiple inboxes. Click on the Settings gear icon in Gmail. Select See All Settings. Click on the Inbox tab. Under Inbox Type, select Multiple Inboxes. Customize multiple inboxes. Scroll down to Search Query and enter custom filters to yourname+work@gmail.com for work emails, to yourname+shopping@gmail.com for shopping emails, to yourname+newsletters@gmail.com for newsletters. Click Save Changes. Now, Gmail will automatically separate your inbox into sections based on different email addresses. And that's it. Now you know how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account, set up labels and filters, and use multiple inboxes for a cleaner, more organized email experience. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.